And welcome back. Continuing with some athletics, this time on the road. Inspired by the TVJ sports story involving former national footballer Miguel Blair, Bert's Auto will be staging the inaugural Build with Bert's charity 5K run walk on October 1 in Kingston. Launched earlier this week, the event will seek to raise $10 million to aid in the construction of 10 homes for needy Jamaicans. In further explaining the rationale behind staging the event, marketing manager at Bert's Auto, Waynette Strawn, noted that the houses will not be limited to Kingston.
Because in 2021, we saw the impact of one mission that we did with Food for the Poor. That was with former national player Miguel Blair. And we saw the profound impact that one house had. And so we thought to ourselves that while we establish our foundation in our 35th year, that we wanted to multiply that impact to help families in need through Food for the Poor houses. And so that's why we are on the mission to build 10 more.
Proceeds from the event will go towards partnering with a charity organization, Food for the Poor, and Executive Director Craig Moss Solomon has welcomed the initiative.
To be able to make those lives change into living into conditions that are more than humane. To be able to have a proper house without water leaking on your head, without bees stinging you, without mosquitoes bothering you, with the safety of having a front door and windows. That is what we plan to do, is to change lives.
Meanwhile, race director Alfred Francis of Running Events at JA revealed the route that will be contested on race day.
Emancipation Park, Oxford Road, Olop Road, Seymour Avenue, Seaview Avenue, Lady Musgrave Road, Trafalgar Road, Antigua, Grenada, Trinidad, and Knoxford. So you can see that you went through a tour of the Caribbean just a while ago, and you end at Knoxford Boulevard, and there will be lots of nice offerings.
The event is expected to cater to 3,000 participants.